Hey guys, I'm Jayce. Welcome back to Farmstead Forge. Today I'm forging out of necessity. One of the things about being a blacksmith is you can make all your own tools. So today I'm going to be forging some tire irons. I'm using my favorite 3/4 sucker rod, and I'm going to upset about 3 inches of this a little bit just to give me a little wider spoon. These are 22 inches long. Stick around till the end and we're going to see if these will be fine air cooling or if we're going to put them through a heat treat. And if I don't have to put them through a heat treat, I will still explain how I want to do that. We're going to break down a 10-ply trailer tire. Come in, knock 2 corners off. Now, if I come in here, rounded edge of my horn, rounded edge of my hammer, and I hit just back behind my edge, it starts to push it out, and then I won't get a cold shut at the end. See how I'm getting a nice rounded end, pushing out. If I set myself up right, I shouldn't get a cold shut. If I do, it won't be a very bad one. That nice rounded edge pushing out. All the edges are pretty smooth, but I don't want any sharp edges in case I'm changing a tube tire. So I can just hear my grandpa say, "Little boy, you pinch that tube, you'll be doing it all over again." Speed breakers for like a 30s, 40s era car, so it does not work the greatest for big tires. Booyah! They hold up pretty nice. I don't think I'll have to do a thing to them. So if I were to heat treat them, I would heat them up hot, quench them down to about here, and then take a file and rub my edge until I could just see that color seeping back in from up here. And I'd look for a straw or maybe just a purple color, but that's the great thing about sucker rod is it holds up so nice. Hey guys, I hope you enjoyed this video of forging these tire irons. When I looked these up, they were around 40 to 80 bucks for a set of nice heavy duty tire irons like these. And I made these probably in like 20 minutes, so I mean that's a good chunk of money. That's a good paycheck right there. You can just pay yourself. So remember to keep it simple, and we will catch you in the next one. Actually scratch that. yeah, that's pretty much all I gotta say. Let's get started. Anyway, I hope you have time to, I don't want to say that this Blackberry Forge is live.